Hi, good morning, ohayo gozaimasu, namaste. I'm Chef Kumar from Tokyo, Japan. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you very unique recipe of scrambled egg with tomatoes, capsicum and oyster sauce flavor. Super easy, very healthy and quick. So let's start. Please, I have a request. Before we start our video, please subscribe my channel and subscribe. Thank you very much. To make a scrambled egg, I took a 4 eggs. You can take 6 or 8 according to your requirement. 8 to 10 tomatoes, half cut, oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons, pima, and this is spring onion roots and this is spring onion top. So make it different. Soya sauce 1 tablespoon, sugar 1 tablespoon, and cornstarch. So let's start. First we heat the pan. After heat the pan, I'm going to add butter 1 tablespoon and little bit oil. Just add salt and pepper and then mix it. After pan heat, I'm going to add egg. Now we have to make it scrambled egg. So we have to do like this to make a scramble. Like this, can you see? This is a technique. Now I'm going to make a sauce. So this is a oyster sauce. First in oyster sauce, I'm going to add a 1 teaspoon shoyu, 1 teaspoon sugar, spring onion top, salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch and water. Mix it properly. The sauce is over ready. Now it's final step we are going to do. First heat the pan. Then I'm going to add oil. After heat the oil, I'm going to add chopped capsicum. After saute the capsicum, I'm going to add cherry tomato. Just little bit saute. Make sure don't cook it properly, overcook, just saute it. After saute, I'm going to add spring onion roots. Again little bit saute. Now we are going to add egg. After mix it properly, now is the final time. Now I'm going to add the sauce, oyster sauce. We prepare it. Just cook it 3 to 5 minutes. You can see it's look very healthy, yummy, and quick, as I told you in the starting of my video. So just wait for 3 minutes. After one boil, you can see the bubble start. It means the sauce is ready and cooked. So now it's time to serve it.